Hey George, this is Clint Lashley from Digital Infusion, Digital Marketing Solutions, and today I'm going to talk to you about a few things you can do to boost up your online presence and have some business come to your door. And those few things are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, the reason I shoot this video is because this is my way of giving back to business owners and showing them some things they can actually do themselves and grow their business through their website. So if you like what you see at the end of the video and you want to reach out to me, I'd be more than happy to talk to you. Or if you want to take this attack plan and run with yourself, I'm plenty cool with that too. So I see I have your domain in here and it says that your website's under construction, so being rebuilt out. But I want to talk about these tips. So when it comes to content, Google typically likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your front page. Yeah, the home page being the most important because it's the one that gets crawled the most by Google, and you want Google to stay on your site longer and um, crawl your other pages and your other content because what it's looking for are the keywords that somebody's going to use in the search engine to try to find your business. Like pressure washing Daytona Beach, Florida would be a example of what we call a buyer intent keyword, and you want that built into your content. So when you put that in the search engine, sometimes you'll see local ads that people are running, businesses, and then you see this map section here, and then down here is the organic section. So the organic section is what drives the most traffic, especially that first page. You are going to see a lot more traffic and people who actually want your service getting on this first page of the organic section, especially up in these top spots. It gets the most traffic. These top spots get the most traffic for any given search, for any given service in any given area. So you can see when I got that up here, I got Yelp as a directory, Angie's a directory, and then Pressure Clean USA here would be considered your first competitor up here on this first page, your top competitor. So I pulled up their website. You can get a look at their front page. I got their menu up here, some before and afters, some content here, service areas, and that's it. So it doesn't look like they have the 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on their front page. So it would be easy to beat them there. And then I use this tool called Ahrefs to find out what's going on with the site, how it's performing per Google. And I got them in here, and you can see they have a UR rating of 18 and a DR of 0.6. So these are Google's power and trust flow numbers. And you really want to drive this number up to somewhere between 30 and a 40 given your area, and then you'll be outranking. But they're climbing, so they're getting 214 backlinks from 38 referring domains. Now, backlinking, that's Google's big popularity contest. You want um, other websites pointing back to you, deeming you the authority in Google's eyes, and then Google ranks you up higher in that organic section. But not just any backlink is going to work. They're not all the same. You want relative to your industry backlinks. And from good, strong sites, nothing broken, nothing spammy, nothing irrelevant from like Pizza Hut or something, because that actually hurt you. And you can also use the same links that your competitors are using because if they're strong enough to rank them, they're going to be strong enough to rank you. And then they're also being found for 44 organic keywords and generating 60 organic traffic to their website in a month. So you can click on the keywords to kind of pick them out and which ones you want to build in. Let's say pressure washing Palm Coast, 500 search volume in a month. Pressure washing USA, 250 search volume. Daytona Beach pressure washing, 70 search volume. Pressure clean power washing Palm Coast, 150. That's all monthly search volume. You want to be pressure washing Ormond Beach, 30. Port Orange, 30. Pressure washing Palm Coast, 80. Pressure washing Port Orange, Florida, 10. Another 10. So that's all good keywords that you want built into your content. And then doing that with the linking, that drives you up higher in that organic section. So coming back here to this map section, Uh, this is where your Google Business Profile will come into play. So you build out your Google Business Profile with your name, address, and phone number on that profile and go get those listed. It's called a citation. You get as many citations as you can get listed in directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Yellow Pages, Home Advisor, other social media, anywhere you can get a listing, go get those citations. Those are called citations. And get as many as you can. Google will find them all, point back to you, and then drive your profile up higher in this top three so that you'll be blasted all over that first page of this search engine. For this search, when you implement the content with the linking and getting you up here in the organic, and then the citations pushing your profile up in the map section. So, like I said, you can take this attack plan and run with it yourself, or you can give me a call back. This is my website. You can reach me here, email me back, messenger, or call me at 262-947-4860. I'd be happy to talk. Again, my name is Clint Lashley, and my number is 262-947-4860. Appreciate you taking the time to watch my video, and I look forward to your feedback. Have a nice day.